Hello, everybody. I'm Anna Maria. I have to talk about my wonderful experience, and I want to start to thank everyone who made this experience unforgettable. First of all, I want to thank my family that hosted me for 2 months. So, please, Larissa, tell them that I love them. And second, I want to really thank my buddy, my super buddy Fernando, that he was so kind with me. He was so patient. He took me everywhere in Manaus. And then I want to thank you, the special people that I met there, like Livia, Larissa, Marcelo, and also Giselle. Say something, please.
Hello, guys. Hello, no. Em português, claro. I don't know what to say.
Cazzo.
Cazzo.
Okay. And she will spend 2 days here in my house, and I hope that our friendship will last forever. I'm waiting you guys here in Italy, and you have to remember that I'm free to host you in my house whenever you want. Remember that. So, guys, bye bye, and thank you again for your friendship. Ciao, ciao.